Morning everyone! So this is my 2026 journal. Ang gagamitin ko this year ay ang Mercury Daybook. So meron silang 3 options para sa daybook nila, yung colors. Dito naman makikita nyo na ginagamit ko pa rin yung pencil holder na ginawa ko last time. So in this daybook, meron silang Dear Suki pages. At ang ginawa ko is naglagay lang ako ng mga options, ng mga entries for my bullet journal. So yung daybook, meron siyang calendars at saka yung 2026 na per day. So, pwede mo ilagay dyan ang schedule mo. And then, we have here my bullet journal. This part, nilagay ko yung goals ko. So, meron akong for hobbies, financial, travel, wellness, solo, friends, romance, and self-care. Next, we have the dream log. And then, we have the rate my day. Sa other side, nandyan yung steps kung ano yung gagawin mo for the goal 1 or to reach goal 1. Next, we have health tracker. Then, we have steps for goal 3. Hindi ko muna gagawin yung goal 2. And then, we have anxiety tracker. And then, for goal 4 and 5. And then, we have the weather tracker. We have the Shark Week. We have the reading tracker. Then we have another Suki page. And then the next spread is book tracker. For the highlights of the day for January, I am going to put photo a day. And then we have the sleep tracker. And then on the other side, we have our January gratitudes. And last part are the habits. For each habit naman, naglagay ako ng rewards. So for example, kapag nakompleto ko yung 31 days na no soft drinks, bibilhan ko ang sarili ko ng lasagna. Naglagay din ako ng mga plans of actions para ma-achieve ko yung mga habits na yun. Tapos, we have another page here about walks, yan siya. Tapos, yung exercises. Then, we have another vacant pages. Then, ito yung sa financial. And then, we have another one na tungkol naman sa scroll time. Meron din tayong Suki page for nurturing purpose or nurturing with purpose. Yung last Suki page naman ay yung budget tracker. So, lalagay mo yung budget mo, yung expenses, at saka yung income, and then yung savings. Meron din tayong mga stickers at the back na pwede nyo gamitin. And then, that is it for our journal tour for 2026. Pasensya na sa ingay ng mga manok. I am surrounded with roosters. Bye!